Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install the Menyoo Mod Menu in GTA 5. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Menyoo is a single-player only mod. It lets you spawn vehicles, change the weather, teleport, and use special abilities. Do not use this in GTA Online as it can get you banned. Let's get started. First, go to the GTA 5 mods website. I'll put the link in the description. Click Download, then click Download again. Next, you also need Script Hook V. I'll put that link in the description as well. Download Script Hook V to your computer. After both files finish downloading, go to your GTA 5 main directory. You can usually find it in one of these locations, depending on your launcher: Rockstar Games Launcher, Steam, Epic Games Launcher. Now, let's install Script Hook V first. Open the Script Hook V zip file, go into the bin folder, and copy these three files: dinput8.dll, scripthookv.dll, nativetrainer.asi. Paste all three files directly into your GTA 5 main directory. Next, open the Menyoo zip file. Inside it, copy menu.asi and Menyoo stuff folder. Paste both of these into your GTA 5 main directory as well. At this point, Menyoo is installed. Before launching the game, open the Rockstar Games launcher, go to Settings, and disable BattleEye. Now you can launch GTA 5 in story mode. Once you're in the game, press F8 on your keyboard to open the Menyoo menu. From here, you can spawn vehicles, teleport, change weather, adjust weapons, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Menyoo Mod Menu in GTA 5. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.